Mastering 5S for success. 5S principles trigger a safety revolution. How can the implementation of 5S principles in our organization lead to a significant reduction in workplace hazards and risks, ultimately resulting in an improvement in our overall workplace safety? The implementation of 5S principles in an organization can have a profound impact on reducing workplace hazards and risks, leading to a significant improvement in overall workplace safety. This is achieved by focusing on the elimination of waste, optimizing workflow, and creating a culture of discipline and accountability. The first S, sort, involves identifying and separating essential and non-essential items in the workplace. This process helps to eliminate clutter, trip hazards, and obstacles that can impede employee movement and increase the risk of accidents. By removing unnecessary items, employees are less likely to trip, slip, or fall, and machinery is less likely to be damaged or malfunction. Furthermore, the removal of redundant items reduces the risk of fires, as there is less fuel for combustion. The second S, set in order, focuses on organizing essential items in a logical and efficient manner. This involves assigning a designated place for each item, labeling it, and ensuring that it is easily accessible. By doing so, employees can quickly locate the necessary tools and equipment, reducing the risk of misusing or mishandling them. Additionally, organized workstations and departments reduce the likelihood of employee fatigue, as they can work more efficiently and effectively. The third S, shine, involves cleaning and maintaining the workplace to prevent dirt, dust, and other contaminants from accumulating. A clean workplace reduces the risk of slips, trips, and falls, as well as fire hazards. Regular cleaning and maintenance also help to identify and address potential hazards, such as electrical issues or equipment malfunction, before they become major problems. The fourth S, standardize, focuses on establishing standardized procedures for maintaining the workplace and performing tasks. By standardizing processes, employees are more likely to follow safety protocols and best practices, reducing the risk of accidents and near misses. Standardized procedures also enable employees to identify and report deviations from the norm, allowing for prompt corrective action. The fifth and final S, sustain, involves maintaining and continuously improving the gains made through the implementation of the first four S's. This is achieved through regular audits, training, and feedback mechanisms that encourage employee participation and engagement. By sustaining the 5S culture, organizations can ensure that safety protocols remain top of mind, and that employees remain vigilant in identifying and addressing potential hazards. In addition to the specific benefits of each S, the implementation of 5S principles also leads to a number of indirect benefits that contribute to a reduction in workplace hazards and risks. For example, the 5S methodology encourages a culture of discipline and accountability, where employees take ownership of their workspaces and processes. This, in turn, leads to a greater sense of responsibility and a reduction in reckless behavior. Furthermore, the 5S methodology promotes a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are empowered to identify and address problems. This leads to a more proactive approach to safety, where employees are more likely to report near misses and suggest improvements. The implementation of 5S principles also leads to improved communication and collaboration between departments and teams. By working together to identify and address hazards, employees develop a greater understanding of each other's roles and responsibilities, leading to a more cohesive and effective safety culture. Ultimately, the implementation of 5S principles in an organization can have a profound impact on reducing workplace hazards and risks, leading to a significant improvement in overall workplace safety. By focusing on the elimination of waste, optimizing workflow, and creating a culture of discipline and accountability, organizations can create a safer, more efficient, and more effective work environment.